A twist of fate? Both men are down. Jeff Hardy getting up. Coming to keep. No, he fell. He fell. No, he's still getting up. No, I don't think he's trying to climb. Oh, yes, he is. Oh, Jeff Hardy going for the escape. Will he do it? Well, let's see. What? Khali? Is Khali getting out? No! Khali's getting out! Oh my god! Just wrenching the neck of Jeff Hardy right into that cage. I don't know. Will Jeff Hardy even fall out? Or will he... Oh, the Khali grabbed him. Whoa, oh my god, it's suicide! Oh! That is suicide! What? Khali, what is he doing? Oh! He just put it right to the neck of Jeff Hardy! What's Khali doing? No! Oh my god! What the? Oh my god! The ladder just broke in half! Oh my goodness! What's Khali doing? Jeff Hardy lying on the ground like nothing. Khali going for the escape. Is he gonna get out? Oh my god, he falls! He was dazed and he fell! It looked like he was dazed, but I couldn't tell. And still, Khali is still getting up. I don't think Jeff Hardy's doing anything. I